So another core element of the Heist operations machine is using Loom video. And the core part of Loom video is basically to record your screen so you can share with others on your team how to do particular tasks or strategies within an Amazon business. This links in very closely to leveraging the Guru SOPs as well as the ClickUp dashboard in terms of sharing information with your team. So how I generally use Loom is, first of all, there's a free account that you can use if the videos are 5 minutes or less. So if you're going to do really quick, punchy videos, it's actually a free tool. I've got an upgraded plan that enables me to really record as long as I want. But typically what we do as a team is there is a Chrome extension that you can download as part of your account. And basically anytime you want to record your screen, you go ahead and hit that account. We're going to do a little bit of inception because I'm recording the screen currently with Camtasia, but I'm going to show you what this looks like with Loom. So basically you click the Loom Chrome extension at the top whenever you want to actually record your screen. It pulls this up. It's got the microphone and it's got like the camera that you can select. We usually just hide the camera so we don't see ourselves, but then you basically just click recording whenever you want to record a particular screen or share something as part of an SOP. So how this works in practice for us usually plays out in two different ways. One is if you're just doing a quick screen recording just to answer a question or help a one-time problem. In that case, you can just come to the share link. You can either use Slack just to ping somebody in Slack, or you can send them an email. Or you can literally just go down into Slack and copy the link and send a message, be like, hey, here's the answer to that one-off thing. The second more common way is to really systematize the training and sharing of tasks within a team. So if it's something that I'm trying to train somebody on, or it's a recurring repetitive task that I want to pass along, but teach somebody how to do it, typically what we'll do is we'll take a Loom video of what that process is end to end, so somebody can be over the shoulder seeing exactly how you do something, which is really important for technical things like in an Amazon account or managing an Amazon business. And then we actually create a Guru card. So here's an example, again, just using, this is actually our Guru card on how to create a Guru card. But we have this title of describing what it is that the SOP here is doing. We've got the area of the business and then the sub area of the business. So we basically just kind of write out a purpose again. We say the creator owner, any related docs that we want to link to. But you'll see down here, wherever possible, we actually try to companion it with a video. And the reason is that there's obviously visual learning, and especially again navigating an account on screen, it's super helpful to see that real time as somebody's actually doing the task on their computer. So it really helps there. And then what we do is we companion that with a written procedure that essentially describes in writing the steps that take place in that video. If it's an area of an SOP that doesn't require a video and it's more static, we basically just type in no video for the section, but most of them we try to put a Loom video here. And then what I like to do is if I'm creating this SOP for somebody, I'll kind of create the title, I'll create the purpose, I'll kind of create this section, and they'll layer in a link to the Loom video. But typically is I'll pass it on to somebody on the team and I'll say, hey, watch this video, go to this Guru SOP card, but I want you to actually write out the procedure and then send me a link to that SOP card when you're done, and I'll go in and kind of verify it. That helps them learn, it helps them write it out. And then if they ever want to reference it again, say they do that task once every 3 weeks and they forgot how to do it, they could come back and just scan the written procedure, or they could watch the video again. The other cool thing over time is you actually want your team creating these Loom videos and your team creating these Guru SOP cards. That really helps with scalability. It helps with bringing other employees on board with your processes and systems over time. And then the final thing that we like to do is we actually like to name the Loom video the same as the actual SOP card if it's related to an SOP. This helps with searchability, helps with us kind of viewing that real time. So that's how we use Loom. It's a fantastic tool, and I would say a critical tool when you're managing a remote business with remote teams. We're all on different timelines. We don't have the benefit of an office where somebody could swing by your office chair and like look over your shoulder. But I think this is a super scalable way to do it. We love Loom. Definitely recommend that you integrate it into your business, and more importantly, integrate it into your SOPs so that it helps with training and scaling your systems.